Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. We've been to the dollar store again. Guess what? Picked up 3 little Lego kits that we're going to build. Here's your first one. It's called Monster Truck. Okay. The second one is Police Dog Unit. Your third one is called Barbecue Burnout. Alright. So we'll get these 3 opened and we'll start building them. Stay with us. Sometimes we have a little surprise ending. Alright, let's get started. Okay, that video you just watched was the stop motion animation. We rebuilt this kit, same kit, with speed build and made another video. We uploaded it. We'd appreciate it if you go watch it too. There's a link to it in the description below. We'd like you to watch both of them and then tell us which one you like the best. Leave us a comment. Let us know. Okay? See you next time.